Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here. As I've noted, I do collect anything that is connected to divination. I think it's fascinating. I have a lot of electronic devices I'll be showing you soon as well. Matter of fact, I have endless items, it appears, and these will be slowly coming out on this YouTube page, kind of making a record for prosperity, history, and the world around us. So this is the Mystic Fan. The Mystic Fan has your answer. Now, this is a cute little box. I'm not sure. Looks like this was one of those things that probably was available in a bookstore. It's a simple little device. I think these have been around for a long time. I'm trying to find any info on it. Okay. Chronicle Books, kind of the same people that made the Baba Booey. And I think they're still around. I'll have to check that out. But again, if this is available, it was copyrighted in 1999, made in China, from Chronicle Books from San Francisco. ChronicleBooks.com, if you're interested. So, how does it work? Okay, let me show you that. I always forget we're kind of on film here. Even an ISBN here if you're so fascinated to find this. But again, if these are available from Amazon or something, we'll have a link down below or somewhere else, or if we're selling it, we'll have a link if you want to buy this. Always try and use our links so that we can get some minor benefit. It doesn't cost you any more if you buy through Amazon or eBay. It just helps you help the IGOS. Remember, we have a new Patreon page. Everybody should go there, where we're going to show you in-depth details on things we don't show here. Okay, how you use the Mystic Fan. Use the Mystic Fan to focus your mind and the powers of the universe. Its unique ability to answer life's most perplexing questions is now within your grasp. To begin, form your question so that it may be answered with a yes or a no. So these are yes or no. That's important. Close your eyes and concentrate while you gently rock the box, rolling the ball as the rolling ball will soon stop and yield your answer. Should you attempt to influence your answer, know that the Mystic Fan is full of surprises. Note, editor's note, the plastic window on this game will crack if hit hard enough. Keep out of the reach of children. Okay, well, that's a I guess it will crack, but it's a pretty strong outside thing. It looks like it's been actually magnetized. There's nothing really on this box that says anything, but there is that ball in there. See the ball? See the little ball, people? It's in the little box. See the top? It says things. But it's not necessarily, well, the question needs to be yes or no, but the answers are not necessarily yes or no. So, what you gonna get is, it says try again, never, yes, now, later, yes, no, wait, never, now. Let's see if we can get that usual glare problem. Okay. So it's a very sturdy box. The plastic is good. I mean, it's a nice little tool, and you can carry this around for fun and amusement and at the local bar. Having a whiskey, bring your answer, your Mystic Fan with you. So you kind of roll this around and trying to let it, okay, here we go. The answer was to a question I didn't ask. Yes. So the whole idea is you roll this around, kind of roll it around the top here, get it to go up in the area, and here we go again. This answered, you can see that, no. So here's a fun divination tool yet again. And there's many, many of these. You should find something that's kind of you find intriguing. You know, you get good results, and this is a divination tool. There's no doubt that this can be used as a serious divination tool. You can use this with your friends at a party, at a bar, whatever. You know, if you want to read someone else's fortune, these are the kind of things that you can do. But you can use these seriously. All you have to do is make sure you go into neutral, change your reality. That may be difficult to do in public, and use it seriously. And you can get good answers from it. And find something that, you know, if you think this is the best thing since sliced bread, it'll work good for you. You have to use systems that you connect to. I remember being intrigued by a Tibetan system of divination. But the problem is that it talked about Tibetan mythology and religion. And I have no knowledge of that beyond very basic stuff. So I couldn't really connect with it. It's not really an area that I find of great interest. I don't really find Tibetanism interesting other than past as being a regular study area. So it's not what I'm into. But if you're, I love the Tibet. I love Tibet. I've been there. I eat Tibetan food. I wear a Tibetan hat. You're going to get good results using a Tibetan divination system. So find something that triggers with you, that you like, whether it's culturally based or not, things that you just are attracted to. You know, if you're attracted to tarot cards, they're going to work good for you. And there are hundreds of decks of these, probably thousands. You like runes, you're attracted to runes, the agams, all of these things. You can be, if you're attracted to it, you're going to get good results, and that tells you that you should be using it. So I hope you enjoyed that. More to come.